I've always been in touch with the earth anymore. And she heard about this and she thought it'd be the perfect thing for me. He talked to Clint, thought it was a great idea, and now they're here.
Natural phenomena, a remarkable natural phenomena that exists right beneath our feet. Earthing or grounding is about connecting to this natural resource. And regardless of your condition, it can make you feel better. Here's the background. Throughout time, throughout history, humans were connected to the earth. We walked barefoot. We slept on natural animal hides. We were connected to the earth. But today, it's a different story. We sleep in elevated beds. We wear synthetic-soled shoes. And even our wheelchairs are insulating us.
When we make direct contact with the surface of the Earth, our bodies receive a...
10 years ago, I was working with a holistic cardiologist, and we wanted to do an article on grounding. And so he said to me, the cardiologist said, you got to call Clint Ober. And so I went and I called Clint Ober. I spoke to him for 5 minutes, and I realized this is not an article, this is a book. This is a huge discovery.
Well, when I first heard about it, took it with a pinch of salt. It sounded a little too good to be true. Having now experienced several friends and people on our team who have used grounding, the skepticism is pretty much gone. Right behind us right now is one of my friends. Her mom is in a companion chair. 15 minutes ago, she was swollen legs, feet were cold, hands were cold, and now they're not. And this is her first experience with grounding. That's 15 minutes of real life demonstration. So I'm pretty much a convert.
I am 39 years old, trying to take pride in that. was diagnosed with MS 14 years ago. The first time I heard about grounding, I thought, get real. This seems crazy. My friend patched me up, and I sat there, and we all just talked for about 45 minutes. I found myself smiling, and that wasn't something that I did. You know, I just didn't. I physically have more energy. I don't have the fatigue. I feel like I really can accomplish things. I can brush my teeth now without holding onto the counter. My balance is better. I just feel, sounds silly, but I feel more grounded. I feel like my feet are really like hanging onto the ground and I'm there, and I do it every night. I sleep on a pad and I patch up my hands and sleep with a grounding blanket, and I just really am obsessive because I'm noticing. I just finally look forward to tomorrow.
For the most part, it's been sleep. You know, she's been able to get through the night without having to get up like, 6 times to go to the bathroom or anything like that. Her spasticity's gotten a ton better. She used to have like restless legs all night, and that doesn't really happen anymore. It's been huge. It's been a big difference for her.
I want everybody to try this. I don't want anybody to not experience this. Anybody who has pain, anybody who can't sleep that well, anybody who gets depressed, I mean, these are all things that have been completely lifted out of my life. I used to feel like a burden, a real burden to my husband, to my family, and I don't feel like a burden anymore. I feel good, and I feel like things are gonna get better. It's my miracle.